Now that users can create an account, view the settings of their account, and update those settings, we need to allow them to delete their account as well. That is another route that we've already added to the server, account/deleted, which maps to handlers.account_deleted. So I'm going to go to the handlers file and once again copy this and go ahead and place an account deleted page below this one. Just like the session deleted page, this page is not a designated page for you to delete your account. It is the page you are taken to after you have deleted your account. We're also going to modify the account edit page to provide a third form that will allow the users to delete their account. So we want to say that this page is account has been deleted and that its name is account deleted. The title is going to be account deleted, and we will need a meta description, so head.description, because this is a public page. The description will be your account has been deleted, and the body class is account deleted. Lastly, the template that should be fetched is account deleted. So let's go ahead and create that template, touch templates / account deleted.html, and we can see it in here. Inside of it, we're just going to paste from our GitHub. It has a header, a subheader, and a link telling the user you can go here to sign up again. Now, as mentioned, we also need to update this account edit page to include another form. So we're going to paste that in here, and you can see that there's a third form now called account edit 3, which actually sends a delete to API/users. We also need to update app.js a little, and now we've done so. The only meaningful update that we did here was setting a form success callback to automatically redirect the user to the account/deleted page if they successfully submit the form account edit 3, which is the one that deletes their account. I'm going to start the server back up. I'm going to go ahead and log in again with that user we've been using, and then navigate to the account settings page. Now we can see the two forms that we were used to, as well as a third form for delete your account. We're giving them a warning, this action cannot be undone, don't click this button on accident, but we're going to click it anyway. And now our account is gone. If we attempt to log in again, we hit an error message, could not find the specified user. If we go to our data, we can see that 415, 1234569 doesn't exist anymore. And if you remember on our backend lectures, we've already set it up so that if this user had any checks associated with their account, those would automatically have been purged out of the system as well. Our API handles all that. So account deletion seems to be working. Since the account is totally gone, I can go ahead and sign up again with the same user, 415, 1234569. And once again, we're back into the account. Account deletion seems to be working fine, so we can move on to the next lecture.